Today, we are working on your pronunciation. We are taking your pronunciation from okay to amazing. So if you are ready for the transformation, please keep watching this video. Bonjour tout le monde! I am Pearl and welcome back to my channel, My French Story, the place to be to learn French without the headache. Today, we are working on French pronunciation. I am going to tell you why your French pronunciation sucks. Sorry, I had to say it, but that's okay because I will also teach you how to improve your pronunciation. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of what to do. So without further ado, let's dive into the first part of the video. So the first reason why your pronunciation sucks is because you don't know what to improve. You know that you need to improve your pronunciation, but you do not know what you should be doing, what you should be focusing on. Because inside of French pronunciation, there are so many things. French sounds, silent letters, and the list goes on. What do you need to improve? Yes, you. Because let's be honest, your pronunciation is not that terrible. It needs some improvements here and there, but you do not know what are those improvements. Well, I have created a French quiz for you. A quiz that will help you evaluate your pronunciation. There are 30 questions that will test your knowledge of French pronunciation. It will take you only 10 minutes. And I can promise you that after this quiz, you will know exactly what you should be focusing on. So here, the link for the quiz is in the description box down below. I cannot wait to know what are your results. So once you take the quiz, please come back in the chat and let me know what results you got. This quiz will be a game changer. The second reason why your pronunciation is not that great is because your delivery is off. Okay, let me explain. So inside the delivery, we have intonation, pace, rhythm. And I have noticed that a lot of English speakers tend to go up in their intonation all the time. For example, when you say bonjour, 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 you know, your intonation goes up. Bonjour. And I think it's because you're happy. You're happy to speak French, but here it is a mistake because French people don't go up in their pace. The French language is very monotone, is very linear, okay? It's like you had a line. So when you keep going up, you're going out of the lines and your pronunciation is off. So here you really want to have this image of two lines and you want to stay inside those two lines. We don't want to go up. We don't want to go down. We don't want to go up. We don't want to go down as much as we do in English. So that's why when you tend to go up and up and up, you sound off. Okay. Your delivery is kind of like not the delivery French people would have. So here, bonjour, not bonjour. Bonjour. You see that wave? So that's why when you speak French to French people in a restaurant, they know straight away, okay, this person is not a native, and they speak English back to you because you are giving it away straight away because your intonation goes up all the time. So here we want to go in a line, very linear. Bonjour. Bonjour. My two syllables are on the same level, okay? Bonjour. Not bonjour. Or, and you go up. No. Bonjour. So here, very linear. Another thing that I notice in your delivery is that last syllable, you push it for way too long. Bonjour. Or, you know, why you go that long? You want to shorten that. Bonjour. Bonjour. Not bonjour. It's something that I also notice with the word bon appétit. People go, bon appétit. Going up and pushing that last syllable for too long. French people don't do that, okay? It has to be linear and very short. Bonjour. Bon appétit. Okay? So that is why people say that the French language is such a beautiful language. The melody, the sound of the language is beautiful because we have this harmony. All the syllables, it's very monotone. Everything is on the same level. That's why the language is so beautiful. So when you put all those like variation, like up and down and up and down, you know, we understand you, but you sound off. So here, remember, we want that line and we want it short. So the third reason why your pronunciation is mais is because of your R sounds. Yes, I know you know. I know you know. So here you really need to focus on this R sound and improve that R sound because that R sound is everywhere in the French language. And when you master it, ooh, your French pronunciation goes to another level. So here I have already created a video on my YouTube channel about the French R. So please click the link in my bio to watch it. I am teaching you how to master the R sound in French. Here, very important. I don't want you to overthink it. Do not overthink because I don't want you to feel like, oh my God, I don't master the R sound, so I can't speak. And then you think too much about it. That's okay. You will improve it as you practice, but it's very important for you to know about the R sound and practice it. So here, once again, the link is in the description box down below. You've got this. Okay? But remember, improve your R sounds. It's very important. So guys, I hope this video was useful and now you know what to do. The first thing you need to do is to take that quiz, okay? That quiz will tell you what you should be focusing on. French sounds, silent letters, delivery, etc., etc. Also, remember your delivery, your intonation. Stop going up. We're going in a line, okay? We want that line and we want that line to be short. We do not push that last syllables. We don't push sounds. It has to say very concise. D'accord? On garde tout ensemble. Une ligne est très brève. And finally, you want to practice that R sound. So r sound. I have made a video just for you to help you improve that. So now you have no excuse. All the links are in the description box. Also, if you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love the support. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. And I see you very soon for another video. Salut!